Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9C, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type edges and download this app from this developer. Now open it, tap on one of these themes and type whatever you want. After that, click OK Creative. Close the nut and customize your edges however you like. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and adjust your edges basically however you need to. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, tap on one of these sources like photos, choose a photo, adjust it, tap at the top right corner and click create. Now tap on the theme that you created and choose enable wallpaper, then set wallpaper and pick one of the options. As you can see, my edges were successfully applied, but if you want to see them when you use apps, go back to the app, choose Home, scroll down and tap on Enable Overlay Other App. Choose Yes, click on the switcher, go back and click on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges all the time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!